So over here you can see that in this image there are bright parts and there are dark parts, and let's say when it is too bright or too dark, I want to know that it is too bright or too dark. In that case, you can go around and enable out the shadow clipping warning and highlight clipping warning right here. So over here in the RGB color mode right here, if I were to go around and click, and then let's say for example if I were to click and drag this out right here way to the back just like this, you can start seeing the yellow dots right here. That is the shadow clipping warning right here, meaning this area is complete black right here. So as I go around and adjust this, you can see that that is what you have. Let me just go around over here onto detail and onto basic right here just like this, and really change around the exposure, and you can see that everything starts becoming white. And now if I want to do the same thing for the white areas, I can go around and enable out the highlight clipping warning right here. So you can turn around the shadow clipping and the highlight clipping right here. So if I really were to go around and push this out, you can see that there's the highlight clipping, and if I were to go around and bring this down right here, then what happens is that this got the shadow clipping. So let me just go around and bring the shadow right down right here just like this, the highlights down right here, maybe the exposure down right here. You can start seeing blue, and too much high you can start seeing red, so you know where to stop. You really don't want a perfect white or a perfect black black color on your images, and that is how you can make sure of how you don't have perfect black or perfect white on your images. So that is how you can work around with shadow clipping and highlight clipping warnings inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.